Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the top 3 altcoins in March 2022. These altcoins respect these parameters. First of all, are at least at 50% down from the all-time high. Also, the technical analysis support as a good entry level. And finally, they are solid projects with great future perspective, even if we go to the bear market. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, it has been a while since I put the camera in a video, so if you are new here, welcome, my name is Santiago. And in these top 3 altcoins, all these altcoins worth less than $5 each. And these 3 are the parameters of why I consider these altcoins a good investment right now. It's because of these 3 reasons. I already mentioned that in the intro. So let's go to the first altcoin. The first altcoin is Anchor Protocol, ANC. Right now it's at $4.28 and is ranked at position 89. This is a DeFi platform for the Terra Luna ecosystem and has been growing a lot since 2022 and has the highest TVL, total value lock, on the Terra protocol ecosystem. If we go to CoinMarketCap, we can confirm that information, and you can see that is actually 48.5% right now. It was a 50% before. And being a 50% down from all-time high is good in this case. You don't want to enter into positions that are pumping like crazy. For example, Terra Luna, like right now, is near an all-time high. So it doesn't quite work as a good investment if it's an all-time high, because you don't really know if it will continue pumping or it's going to just crash. So this is a good idea to enter into coins that are really low in relationship with the all-time high. AnchorProtocol.com is the website. I will not cover the video. If you want to know more about the project, you can click the link here. But if you launch the application, you will know this is a DeFi dashboard. You can earn, borrow, and lend money in the application. One really interesting thing, and why it has been so adopted, is because you can put your stablecoin UST, which is a Terra Luna token ecosystem based on the dollar, and you can earn almost a 20% annually if you allocate your UST tokens here. So that is super high. In most centralized platforms or DeFi platforms, you will find at least a 12%, but this is the only place right now that you can earn so much in a stable coin. If we go to DeFi Llama, you can see that the Terra ecosystem right now is a 26 billion total value locked, and from that 26, you can see here at position 1 is Anchor Protocol with $12.8 billion in total value lock. That is more than, for example, Phantom or Solana or even Avalanche, only in one project already. So that is why I think Anchor Protocol is a really good investment right now, and it will continue serving for the long term. Of course, there is risk. I am not sure how they are able to put that high APY in the UST, so you need to be careful with these things. Also, because belongs to the Terra protocol ecosystem, I think we are really in a hype moment with Terra Luna. You can see that Terra is at position 7 already, passing Solana, Cardano, Avalanche and Polkadot, so hype continue, and all the protocols inside this ecosystem, I think they are going to do it very well. So that is why Anchor Protocol is one of these tokens in the top 3 altcoins of March. If we go quickly to a clean chart of Anchor Protocol against Ether, we can see this green rectangle is a nice area of support and resistance. Mainly support, you can see all the support here and a lot of support in these bodies and candles here that we have on all these ramp peaks. So each time that you buy inside this, it was a great moment because you will have all these uptrends one time and again during a lot of time. Once we break it, we held it a little bit of support on the bottom of this rectangle. It was here, but also was before here. So I think all this area is a good entry point to buy. But right now we are above that. And the market right now seems to be recovering a little bit. One important thing to notice here, if I put a Fibonacci extension from this low to this high, which was a very important rise, you will see that the 0.5 Fibonacci extension is already a target here, so already happened here at $3.80. So I am not expecting to go lower here. Actually, we bounced from that support area on the Fibonacci extension number. And right now we are with resistance on the 0.382. So this is respecting Fibonacci levels exactly. And those levels correspond with these two lines of support and resistance. So I think right now we are at a decent moment to enter some positions into Anchor protocol. Of course, you will put your stop loss to sell your positions if we go below the 0.5, because that will mean that probably we will go enter again into this green rectangle area of support. Moving into the second altcoin, this is Harmony protocol. The token is 1. Right now it's at 13.5 cents. And Harmony 1 is a blockchain-based platform that aims to address the conundrum of achieving both scalability and decentralization without sacrificing either. Right now it's strong in a DeFi ecosystem, NFTs and DAOs. The all-time high was $8.23 and is at position 89 right now. We can confirm all that in CoinDeco. And right now this token is a 64.3% down from the all-time high that was in October of 2021. So this is cool in terms of finding those tokens that have a great potential, but the token really bleed right now. But if you see the chart, you can see that we already have a lot of pumps here. So we could expand another pump to the upside to the 30 cents range if the market recovers and Bitcoin, of course, goes to $50,000 or $60,000. The website of Harmony One has been updated from the last time that I checked it. It's super cool. They have all the information there with almost 371,000 followers on Twitter. So it's a big community behind Harmony. And I will put the link on the description of this. This is the summary of all what they did during 2021. And in terms of the growth of the ecosystem, there has been 227 apps with more than 500,000 wallets, payouts of $7.7 million in Bitcoin bounties, assets more than 400 million assets locked cross-chain bridges, and almost 8,000 artists with 1.07 million NFT sales. They are big on NFTs, they are big on metaverse. There are a couple of play-to-earn games in Harmony that are very famous. And again, they are building a really nice ecosystem that you will need to follow. I will put the link of this summary of 2021 if you want to check it. Harmony in terms of TVL is not so big, less than 1 billion in total. So they really have space to grow. Most of them is in DeFi Kingdoms. This is one of the NFT play-to-earn games. I think they have been growing a lot and they will continue growing. I remember beginning of 2021, they only have like 100 million or less. And if we really quickly check the chart of one token, during 2021 I mentioned that this rectangle was a nice entry point below this. Right now we are at 13 cents and we didn't enter into this zone. So maybe you can wait a little bit. What I will really wait here is that we break this downtrend white line that I have here in the chart. I think we need to go above this one, this horizontal line at 16 cents. In order to get some support on this area. This area has been more bullish, and this white line you can see all the support here, and here was resistance. So I think it will be more wise to wait that we break these two lines. So maybe if you enter in a zone around this area, if we go into these levels, that will be a very good entry point for one right now, because if you see the chart, we still are in the downtrend from January, creating lower highs here, and maybe we are going to find resistance on this line, and from here we still go down. So I will wait to break these two trend lines. But in any bullish or bearish case, this is a big support area, so below 10 cents is a good entry point, or I think below these 16 cents it will be better and less risky to enter at that point. And finally, our third coin of this top three is Phantom FTM. Right now it's at $1.36. The all-time high was $3.46 and ranked at position 38. Phantom is a fast, high throughput, open source smart contract platform for digital assets and DApps. Phantom's BFT consensus protocol delivers unparalleled speed, security, and reliability, and ensuring almost instant transactions with low fees. There are a lot of technological things about Phantom that I really like. You can see more about Phantom in this video that I cover a little bit about the technology, because sometimes Phantom is referred not as a blockchain platform because of the technologies that it is using. Phantom, if we check in CoinGecko, we are a 60.7% down from all-time high, so that is super decent to buy in the dip. In the website you will find a lot of things about the application, and you can see here the different ecosystems that we have. SpookySwap being one of the most important decentralized exchanges of the Phantom ecosystem, with SpiritSwap and BetaBNX. I am really using SpookySwap on the last weeks because I am really into nodes as a service project in Phantom. I will be covering that in future videos, but again you can see here more about the project. Also, Phantom has almost 400k followers on Twitter with a lot of information. And in terms of the TVL, Phantom has a 7.31 billion. We have been with a little of hype before Terra during the end of 2021. Right now that hype is a little down, but even that you can compare it, for example, with Solana, which right now is has a TVL lower than Phantom. Not Avalanche or Binance Smart Chain, but you can compare it with Tron, Polygon and Solana. So Phantom is in a more strong position in terms of total value locked. And in terms of the chart, you can see this raise from these levels into this channel, and once we break we created this last channel where we are right now. You can see this rectangle how divides one channel from another, this being resistance and after being support. So if we zoom here, I just will give you this clear chart with not much information, just the things that you need to know. But anyways, each time that we enter into this zone also was a great moment to buy FTM tokens. You can see all the rallies that you will get if you bought at those levels. Here. Actually here also we enter into 1.29 and we went to $2. So you will get almost a 70-80% there. And right now we enter already into this zone again. So we need to wait a little bit. I will wait also to break this white downtrend line. We break it here, but it was a fake out. So I will say wait until we break these yellow and white lines of support and resistance. The yellow one, because you can see all this resistance that we have here and here. So it will be super safer to get some support above that. And most important, this white line, because it's the downtrend that we have from January already. So wait those 2 points of support and resistance breaks. So this level, it will be more healthy. Of course, you will have resistance here on this other white line. But if you break that, you probably will get support like happened many times here on these uptrends, here, and here. And from here, probably you will get another similar fractal that we have in all these uptrends, here and of course here. So that will be a probably scenario. But wait for that, because maybe you will get into this resistance point and from there going down inside this rectangle, and probably that will give you some bad hopes on the price action. Well guys, that is all for this video. Put your comments below. What do you think about these three cryptos? Are in your portfolio? Were you familiar with these cryptos or are new for you? Please put your comments below. What do you think? And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.